You have probably heard of the North Pole and the South Pole, but with this cool map, I want to introduce you to a different kind of pole, which is the Pole of Inaccessibility. As the name suggests, it is a place that is pretty hard to get to. And the one on the ocean is actually called Point Nemo, which is right here. Point Nemo is in the South Pacific, and it relates to our current IODP Expedition 383 because it's our study area. And our first 4 sites were actually located in the vicinity of Point Nemo. So as those colors here suggest, those light bluish colors, they indicate that Point Nemo is away, is 2,500 kilometers away from the nearest coastline, which are the Pitcairn Islands over here in the western South Pacific. And that represents about 1,500 miles. But then, in fact, this map shows you the distance of any place on Earth from the nearest coastline. So these pimples here indicate essentially islands, such as Tristan da Cunha or Bouvet Island in the South Atlantic. But then on land, those orange and yellowish colors indicate the distance of that place from the nearest coastline. So it's just the same thing on land. And we do have a continental pole of inaccessibility too. It's close to the Chinese-Kazakhstan border. It's called the Eurasian Pole of Inaccessibility too. And Point Nemo is a really cool place. I have been really enjoying working in this area, and I doubt that I will, in the near future, will get to go to this place again. I find it so hard to imagine that when the ISS, the International Space Station, is flying above that point, that we are closer to humans than in the ISS than on any land. That's a pretty amazing fact. So just remember that there are 2 poles of inaccessibility, essentially one in the ocean and one on land, and both of them are actually about 2,500 kilometers away from the nearest coastline. All right, hope you enjoy traveling and discovering the world. Yeah, have fun.